Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where I show you how to do it ya damn self. So this video we are going to go over how I made my hair this amazing, beautiful kind of like forest to lime green color. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And if anybody is wondering, yes, I'm sitting on the side of my bed in my bedroom hiding because children. Alright, so here was my faded hair color before. I did use extreme green and neon yellow from oVertone. They both smell amazing. Second one was super hard to open, as you can see there. Next, I sectioned my hair here. I did do it in 3 sections because of my extensions. That's just what I did personally. And I did also mix in a little bit of the extreme green with the neon yellow to give it like a lime green color, which is what I was going for. And next I applied the extreme green on the roots down about halfway, and the neon yellow from the base of the, or bottom of the hair about halfway up. And then I used a brush to kind of blend it all together. And then here's just giving a detailed video of what that looks like. I worked it in really good for both colors. You want to make sure that you're not missing any spots, especially if you start with a base color. And you can see at the front here, I did leave that little piece just to make sure that I didn't get any color on it. I wanted to do that portion and on the other side to kind of frame my face. And some landed on my toe. Whoops. And once I was done here, I let it sit probably about 45 minutes-ish. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you love it as much as I do. If you would like to watch more of my videos, please like and subscribe.